The judge in the Fulton County election interference case handing down a ruling today on a key motion from former President Donald Trump and other defendants. Investigative reporter Zach Merchant has been tracking this case from the very beginning.
And Zach, there's been a lot of moving parts here. What is next for this case? What's happening now?
There have been. It feels like almost every other day there's a development here. Here's what's going on right now. Former President Trump and other defendants had asked the court to throw out their charges on First Amendment grounds, but today Judge Scott McAfee denied that request. The ruling comes after a hearing in Fulton County Superior Court last week where Mr. Trump's attorney argued that the former president's allegedly criminal conduct was actually political speech that is protected from prosecution by the First Amendment. Other defendants had raised similar arguments, but today Judge McAfee denied those claims, writing in his order that, quote, "These vital constitutional protections do not reach the actions and statements alleged by the state." But the judge left open the possibility that the defense could raise another First Amendment challenge in the future. And Emory Law School professor John Acevedo said today when we talked to him that the defendants are still free to make their argument at trial before a jury that their statements were political, not criminal.
Whether or not one of the defendants themselves wants to take the stand or a political operative or an expert are all possibilities to take the stand to say, look, yes, these were said, but, and then give a non-criminal reason for that speech.
Professor Acevedo says today's ruling will not directly impact the timeline of the case that DA Fani Willis has said she aims to take to trial before the November election, but Acevedo noted that it is possible that the defense team could pursue an appeal of Judge McAfee's ruling from today that could open the door to potential delays if the efforts clear a series of procedural hurdles, but we're not there yet.
Yeah, okay, so Zach, what is Trump's attorney saying about this now?
Yeah, Steve Sadow said that the defense team disagrees with today's ruling and will continue to evaluate their options regarding the First Amendment challenges.